Number two, great amounts of energy are released in the core of a star as lighter elements combine and form heavier elements during the process of. All right. I know I'm gonna say this every time. This is another easy question. If you just cancel things out, um, what you should really recognize here immediately is some of the vocabulary words that you already know. The first one is compaction, and what you should know about compaction is that compaction occurs during when sediments compress together to form sedimentary rocks. Compaction. Okay, that's something that you should know. You should be able to cancel that out. It has nothing to do with stars or our sun or anything like that. The next one is condensation. Condensation should be very very well known as well. Condensation, water evaporates, and then it condensates. It turns from water vapor back into small water droplets. Number three, radioactive decay. Okay, that sounds like it could be an answer, so we're not going to cancel that out. And nuclear fusion, that sounds oddly familiar as well. So let's leave that in for now. Well, the important thing for you to know about this is they're pushing lighter elements combine. So combine, that that can almost work with fusion, right? Or fuse, to fuse something together. Well, let me show you just the image of nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is when, at least in our sun right now, hydrogen atoms get squeezed together, they form helium, and they release massive amounts of energy. That's why the sun is lit up. A lot of people think that the sun is on fire. The sun is not fire. The sun is actually, I think, plasma due to this nuclear fusion. It's very, very powerful. It's where all of our energy comes from. It's an amazing, amazing process. So the answer is definitely nuclear fusion. And I think it's important to really sometimes just look at the vocabulary words that are in the question. I have a problem with a lot of my students. They tend not to answer the question that's asked of them. So if you look at the words combine, form heavier elements, you can kind of narrow it down that the answer is nuclear fusion. The reason that it's not radioactive decay is used for things like carbon dating or uranium dating, and you should be familiar with that when you learn about the age of the Earth or geologic time. So hopefully this is an easy question for you guys, and you all can kind of remember fusion, combine, and that the idea of canceling out and using vocabulary words.